Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you use the project guide, you will need to provide Microsoft Project some basic details about your project. These details form the basis of your project plan. You can also create a project plan without using the project guide by simply selecting Project from the menu bar and then choosing the Project Information command after creating your new blank project file. Now, in the Project Information dialog box that appears, you can enter the start date, the current date, and then select Project Start Date from the Schedule From dropdown. Now, doing this allows Microsoft Project to track tasks from the given start date. Note that you can set a finish date and then schedule tasks from the finish date back to the current date if desired, but that's typically much more complicated. This also typically is only useful when you have a standard project that contains standard, easily measured and controlled tasks that you know must end by a specified date, and you simply wish to know when the project should begin. Otherwise, you will probably want to pick the start date and calculate tasks from the start date to find the projected end date. Note that you only need to give Microsoft Project either the start date or the end date. It will calculate the other date based on the task workload that you then enter. Scheduling from a specified start date causes Project to schedule all tasks to begin as soon as possible. This also gives you the most scheduling flexibility when entering tasks for the project. Next, you can use the Calendar drop-down to select the default calendar to use for scheduling tasks. You can select either 24 hours to allow for 24-hour scheduling of project-related work, night shift to allow for the scheduling of project-related tasks from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. Monday through Saturday with a 1-hour break each day, or standard to select scheduling of project-related tasks from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday with a 1-hour lunch break each day. Finally, if using Microsoft Project Professional, you may have special custom fields and field values that need to be entered for your project. If these are needed, they will be shown in the Enterprise Custom Fields area, where you can enter any custom field values as needed. Now, once you've entered the necessary information into the Project Information dialog box, you can then click the OK button to set the basic project information.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.